Hello from the Quail Kingdom again. It's a beautiful late morning right now, and I just wanted to make a quick update about the fruit trees in the Quail area, how they are doing. So let's get straight into it. Only planted a few months ago, all grown from seed, and they are already flowering and fruiting. So let's go through and have a look. And by the way, the quails already enjoy the beautiful shade of the trees, and they just planted. So it's just crazy, you know, how they doing, how they thrive. So here the Brazilian spinach behind, surrounded by the cage, so they enjoy the fresh greens all the time. Here the yellow cherry guava I just recently planted. This was planted just later, about from 4 weeks ago or so, and already having lots of fruit. Lots of flowers and new growth. So there will be lots of delicious cherries coming very soon. The newly planted 3 kinds of tree spinaches. I still keep it behind the cage because the third one just planted today, and it will need time to grow a little, but then I will remove the cage and just harvest the leaves and give it to the quails. Already gave them a few, and half of it is already gone. Let's move on. Just behind the 3 spinaches, I have another Brazilian spinach growing because they love the leaves. So never having enough of it. Doing really well. The Indian, I have to check it, either the Indian guava or the Thai white guava. Both very similar guavas. Having lots of new growth. Already about 1.6 meters. So as large as me. And having, I think we have 3 fruit. Let's have a look on the other side. Yes, we do. So beautiful fruit. So the next here is the yellow cherry guava, covered in fruit, the lemon guavas. So this will be a bumper crop for us and the quails. Looking really good. I planted the yellow cherry guava together with the pawpaw, which is also doing amazing. And it grew like really in a speed time. It's now about 1.5 meters. And having lots of new buds and already setting the first fruit. So really looking forward. Keep in mind, it's growing like crazy, everything, because the quails are running around here and fertilizing all the beautiful fruit trees. So next to it here, another pawpaw, about 1.2 meters high now. And also setting new fruit and flowers and fruit. The first little cute one here and more coming. Next to the pawpaw, I planted them together. It's the persimmon, and they doing very well together. I'm wondering when I will see the first flowers. And the beautiful moringa, doing nicely. New growth, and the moringa is about 1.5 meters now. So if you have seen, or if you haven't seen my video when we were building the aviary, I also included when I planted all the plants here. So you can compare how quick and how big they are now, how quick they grew. This is the black Brazilian cherry, the black one, doing very well now too. And here the poor Brazilian cherry, that's Brazilian spinach, that tries to grow but it can't because it's not behind the cage, and the quails are eating everything what comes up. So you can see the difference when the Brazilian spinach is not behind the wire and the other one at the front there protected. So yeah. Oh, and I just recently planted Malayan guava here too. And this one is doing very well. Also grown from a seed. New growth already. So looking forward to this one. I never tried Malayan guava. So we'll see. And so all the plants doing very well. Now the sun is behind a cloud, but it was beautiful when I came here with the sun, and I could see all the beautiful shade the plants already create, the trees and the bushes. So the quails are enjoying it very much. Oh, the sun just came out for me, so I can show you the beautiful shade the plants already create. So the quails have definitely lots of natural space to hide if they want to. So yeah, lovely. This is exactly as I imagined I want to have. And I really love it. Hope you do too. We are selling the fertile quail eggs. If you want to have your own quails, so just keep it in mind if you want them. On my website, along with some seeds and plants and cuttings from my little nursery. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as usually, you know what to do. Please like and subscribe. If you still didn't, leave a comment what you think about all the plants they are grown here in the Quail area. I always love to hear from you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.